Hello everyone, welcome to another astronomical events video where I tackle the highlight astronomical events, which for this video will be for January 2023. If you do not want to miss out on any of my new videos, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. Moreover, a recently released natural language processing chatbot called ChatGPT wrote much of the script for this video. If you've never heard about ChatGPT before, check out my YouTube short about the mind-blowing AI since it could change your life. Now, onto the astronomical events for January 2023. So, starting on January 3, we will have a Moon-Pleiades Conjunction where the moon will pass near the star cluster known as the Pleiades or the Seven Sisters. This event will be visible in the western sky after sunset and is a magnificent opportunity for stargazing. We will also have a lunar occultation of Mars where the moon gets in front of the red planet. It will be visible in sub-Saharan Africa and Madagascar, as seen in the shaded parts of this map. However, places outside the shaded areas will experience a Moon-Mars conjunction event instead. The moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 86% illumination during this time. Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Mars will be in the night sky, making this a spectacular chance to see multiple planets simultaneously. They will remain in the sky for the whole month of January 2023, forming a line across the heavens during the early evening. From January 3 to 4, we will have the peak of the Quadrantid Meteor Shower, an annual event known for its bright and colorful fireballs. This meteor shower happens when the Earth passes through a stream of dust and debris left behind by asteroid 2003 EH1, so it's a spectacular opportunity to see shooting stars in the night sky. The shower runs annually from January 1 to 5 and peaks on the night of January 3 and the morning of January 4. Reaching 40 meteors per hour. However, the nearly full moon will block all but the brightest meteors. The best viewing of the shower will be from a dark location after midnight, so you must move away from the city lights as much as possible. The meteors will appear to originate from the Bootes constellation, but will appear anywhere in the sky. On January 5, the Earth will reach its closest point to the Sun, or perihelion. It occurs each year and is a good reminder of the cyclical nature of our planet's orbit. In astronomy, a perihelion refers to the point in a planet's orbit where it is closest to the Sun. On January 8, we have two more events to anticipate. The first is the moon apogee, where the moon will be at its farthest approach from Earth in its elliptical orbit. The moon will be approximately 406,500 kilometers away from us. The second event on this date is the Moon-Beehive Conjunction, where the moon will appear close to the Beehive star cluster in the night sky. On this date, the moon will also be about 98% illuminated, making it a great time to view it in the heavens. On January 23, we will have the Venus-Saturn Conjunction, where Venus and Saturn will appear close together in the night sky. This event will be visible in the western sky after sunset and is a spectacular opportunity to see these two bright planets in the same field of view. One can see the event low in the western sky after sunset, so you need a clear sight of the horizon to witness the conjunction. On January 26, we will have a Moon-Jupiter conjunction where the moon will pass near Jupiter in the night sky. This event will be visible in the eastern sky before dawn and is a magnificent opportunity to see these two celestial objects close in the heavens. One should wake up during the pre-dawn hours to see the conjunction event. Finally, on January 30, Mercury will reach its greatest western elongation of 25 degrees from the Sun as viewed from Earth. The moment makes it the best time to view the elusive rocky world in the heavens since it will be at its highest point in the sky. Mercury is visible low in the eastern sky just before sunrise. At the same time, we will have the Moon-Pleiades Conjunction where the moon and the Pleiades, or the Seven Sisters, are in the same field of view. The moon will have 67% illumination during this time. We will also have another lunar occultation of Mars on the same night. The lunar occultation will be visible in the southern portions of the United States down to the Isthmus of Panama and parts of Colombia. I hope you can check out some of these magnificent astronomical events in January 2023. Whether you're an experienced stargazer or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to marvel at the beauty of the night sky. Don't forget to mark your calendars and clear your viewing schedule for these spectacular celestial events. As always, clear skies, stay safe, and enjoy the universe before your very eyes. and see you next time.